Next, I want to talk about the colonial period in South Asia. And this is a figure showing colonial situation in Asia around 1900. And I want to highlight this thing here called British India. It includes what's now Pakistan, India, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, and even the modern day country of Myanmar, which is called Burma at one time. So India and Pakistan at one time were one single British colony. And however, in the area that is now India, a Hindu majority, as you do now, and you also had a Muslim majority in Pakistan, and this part here, modern day Bangladesh, which at the time was called East Pakistan. So in 1947, when the British were leaving India, shortly after, or around that time, they partitioned the country. They broke it up into two parts, India here and Pakistan. But at that time, there was two Pakistans. It was West Pakistan, we just call it Pakistan now. There was also East Pakistan, and that's what we now call Bangladesh. Bangladesh became independent from Pakistan much later in the 1970s. Now, I'm going to show some clips about this. This is a very brutal time, massive migrations of these Hindus moving from what's Pakistan, Muslims moving from what's India, back and forth, heavy amounts of violent religious and political violence as well. And I'll include a little bit more of that in the clip. So here's a closer view. During the partition, you had India from Pakistan, which was in two parts, West, now Pakistan, and East, now Bangladesh. I also want to highlight this area, which wasn't part of the partition. It was sort of left independent, but that quickly became a target for both Pakistan and India, and they've been fighting with it with China ever since. I just want to use this figure to highlight some of the mass migration of religious minorities during the time. So in Punjab here, in 1931, prior to partition, the majority of people were Muslim. However, after partition, you only have under 2% people who are of the Muslim faith in Punjab region of India. And that's because massive amount of people, Muslims, moved across into the Pakistan side, and likewise with Hindus, they moved back the other way. This is showing trains moving massive amounts of people during this time. There's a lot of violence too. Often these trains would be attacked and people would be killed on the trains. More on that. So watch the clips that are going to be included with this. And one legacy of that is a dispute over the Kashmir region. So this is a dispute between India and Pakistan, which both have claims, and it's actually a three-way dispute because part of it is also claimed by the neighbor to the north, which is China. So this is the general region. I'm going to jump ahead. This one shows it a bit better. So the Kashmir region, also called Kashmir and Jammu. So you have different religious parts here. You have people who are Buddhist, Hindu, and a majority of people who are Muslim. You have parts of it that are controlled by Pakistan and claimed by India, parts that are controlled by India and claimed by Pakistan, and even parts that are controlled by China but claimed by India. So it's not just India and Pakistan, but also China included in this as well.